Dear children, welcome to our channel GG Reddy Math Academy. Daily gratitude habit for students. Today we see daily gratitude habit for students. Train your mind for success, focus and happiness. Why students feel stressed? Too much syllabus, fear of exams and marks, comparing with others, negative thoughts, lack of confidence, mobile distractions. A stressed mind cannot learn effectively. What is gratitude? Gratitude means appreciating the good things already present in your life. Thankful for parents, thankful for teachers, thankful for education, thankful for health, thankful for opportunities. All these are having in your life. So you should be thankful for all these. That is what gratitude. Gratitude means appreciating the good things already present in your life. How gratitude helps students? Gratitude helps students to improve focus. Gratitude helps students to reduce stress. Gratitude helps to build confidence. Gratitude helps to create positive thinking. Positive mind, better learning. Morning gratitude routine. Wake up calmly, take a notebook, write 3 gratitude points, read them slowly, then say thank you. Example, I am grateful for my parents because they support my education. This is one gratitude you can write in a notebook. Like that you can write at least 3 gratitude points and read them slowly. Say thank you. Night gratitude habit. Before sleeping, ask yourself, what was the best thing that happened today? Then write one good thing about the day. Examples, I completed homework. I understood a difficult concept. I studied without distraction. You can write this before sleeping. Ask yourself, what was the best thing that happened today? I completed homework. That is the best thing happened today. You are writing. This is night gratitude habit. I understood a difficult concept. Thank you. I studied without distraction. Thank you. So you are expressing that gratitude. Habits of successful students. Discipline, consistency, positive mindset, self-belief, daily revision, calm thinking, gratitude, hard work. Success begins in the mind. 7-day gratitude challenge. Write 3 gratitude points every morning for the next 7 days. Observe better focus, more calmness, less stress, better confidence. If you follow this 7-day gratitude challenge, then you will observe better focus, more calmness, less stress, better confidence. Train your mind and success will follow. Marks improve not only by studying harder but also by thinking better. Thank you students. All the best.